friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your arithmetical ability, and of course that has been the important one. So with this we had started with arithmetical ability, where we had completed your 12 topics till ratio and proportion, and that has been the 12th topic here. This has been the 13th topic, and the first class of this session is your partnership that we have to talk about it, and the class we have is your 131. 130 classes we had done. So before starting with the partnership, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get their information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. So here there are some of the rules related to it, to partnership, and we'll go to start with. First of all, you have to understood with what is partnership. When two or more than two persons runs a business jointly, they are called partners, and the deal is known as partnership. In the ratio of the division of the gains, when we joined with the partners, so when investment of all the partners are for the same time, the gain or the loss is distributed among the partners in the ratio of their investments. Suppose A and B invest rupees X and rupees Y respectively for a year in a business, then at the end of the ratio, that will give your A shares of profit and B shares of profit, that is ratio X ratio Y. On the same way, when investments are for different time periods, then equivalent capitals are calculated for a unit of time by taking a capital and into the numbers of the units of the time. Now gain or loss is divided in the ratio of these capitals. Suppose A invests rupees X for P month and B invests rupees Y for Q months. Then A shares of the profit, ratio of B's shares of the profit is your XP ratio YQ. That I will make you write here itself. No worry about that. You first listen about it, what is partnership is all about. Working and sleeping partners, like your partner who manages the businesses is known as a working partner, and the one who simply invests the money is a sleeping partner. Okay, that is what it will be, and what these 3 points will deal in the whole while solving out the partnership. We deal these types of a question. So first I will let you write it down, so that it will be helpful for you to go through with the questions in an easy way. So let's start it. First we'll discuss about the partnership, the important facts about the formulas. So we'll discuss about formula, and that is about partnership. So all about partnership here, we'll go for it. When two or more than two persons, when two or more than two persons run a business jointly, they are called partners, and the deal is known as partnership. Now we talk about for the ratio of divisions of gains, that is the second point. that we talk about here. In this, the first, as I discuss about when investment of the partners, when investment of all the partners are for the same time, the gain or loss is distributed among the partners in the ratio of their investment. Okay, so as I told you, suppose A and B invest rupees X and rupees Y respectively for a year of a business, then at the end of the year that will be A's share of profit ratio B's share of profit, which is equals to X ratio Y, what I told you. Now we'll talk about discussing about the second point on that. So yes, of course, we have when investment are for different time periods, when investments are for different time period, then equivalent capitals are calculated for a unit of time by taking capital into number of units of time. So now gain or loss is divided in the ratio of these capitals. Suppose A invests rupees X for P months and B invests rupees Y for Q months, then your A's share of profit ratio B's share of profit, which is equals to XP ratio by Q. Now we discuss for the next one, which is working and sleeping partners. As I told you, a partner who manages the business is known as working partners, and the one who simply invests the money is your sleeping partner. So we'll discuss here. So here we go for the working and sleeping partners. So for the same we'll talk about it, where a partner who manages the business is known as the working partner, and the one who simply invests the money is your sleeping partner. So where a partner who manages the business is known as a working partner, and the one who simply invests the money money is a sleeping partner. Let's go for the question that we have to solve here, and of course that is the important one. The first question for the partnership that we deal with it. So here A, B and C started a business by investing rupees 1,20,000 to 1,35,000 and 1,50,000 respectively. You have to find the share of each out of an annual profit of rupees 56,700. Okay, so we go here. By investing rupees 1,20,000, rupees 1,35,000 and rupees 1,50,000 respectively. Find the share of each out of an annual profit of rupees 58,700. Okay, so now we go for the solution here, which is ratio of shares of A, B and C. That is equals to ratio of their investment, that is equals to 12 1,20,000. Now a ratio 1,35,000, ratio 1,50,000, that will be 8 ratio 9 ratio 10. Now we'll find out for the A's share equals to rupees 5700 to 8/27. That will give you rupees 16,800. Now for talking about B's share, rupees 5,6,700 into 9/27, which is equals to rupees 18,900. And now C's share, rupees 5,670 to 10/27, which is equals to rupees 21,000. Now we talk about for the next, that has been the another important question, and which is of course being important here. Talking about the Alfred started a business investing rupees 45,000. After 3 months, Peter joined him with a capital of rupees 60,000. After another 6 months, Ronald joined them with a capital of rupees 90,000. At the end of the year, they made a profit of rupees 16,500. Find the shares of each, that we have to find out. Let's go for the same. Second question of the session. Alfred started a business investing rupees 45,000. After 3 months, Peter joined him with a capital of rupees 60,000. After another 6 months, Ronald joined them with a capital of rupees rupees 90,000. At the end of the year, they made a profit of rupees 16,500. Find the share of each. Okay, so we have to find out the share of the each. Let's go for it. You'll find it out that as well. So here we go for the solution. Clearly that is Alfred clearly. Alfred invested his capital invested his capital for 12 months. Better for 9 months. And Ronald for 3 months. So ratio of their capital equals to 45,000 into 12 ratio 60,000 into 9 ratio 90,000 into 3, which will give you 54, that is your 5,40,000. So 5,40,000. Then again we have your 2,70,000. Okay, and that will give you ratio 2, ratio 2, ratio 1. This is ratio of the capital. Now we'll go for Alfred shares. Which is equals to rupees 16,500 into 2 upon 5. That is your 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 threes are 15, 0, 0, that is your 3,300, and 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. It will give you rupees 66,600. And now we go for, this has been the Alfred shares, which is 6,600 here. Now we find out for the another one, that is your Peters share. Peters share equals to rupees 16,500 into 2 upon 5 equals to rupees 6,600 for the same, because 2 is to 2, 1 है ना. And now talking about Ronald's share, which is equals to rupees 16,500 1 upon 5 equals to rupees 3,300. Okay, so how do we get the answers when we are going in the detail about the questions here? Okay, now we talk about for the next question, that is the third question, and that will be the last question of the session here. So we go for it. Third question is, A, B and C start a business, each investing that is rupees 20,000. After 5 months, that is A withdraw rupees 5,000, B withdraw 4,000, and C invest 6,000 more. At the end of the year, total profit of rupees 69,900 was recorded. Find the share of each. Okay, so we find it out. Let's go for the same. A, B and C start a business. Each investing rupees 20,000. After 5 months, A withdraw rupees 5,000. B withdraw rupees 4,000 and C invest rupees 6,000 more. At the end of the year, a total profit of rupees 69,900 was recorded. Find the share of each. Now we go for it. Now we have to find out the solution. So first we'll talk about for the ratio of the capitals of ABC as we done in the last question. That is your 20,000 into 5 plus 15,000 into 7 ratio 20,000 into 5 plus 16,000 into 7 ratio 20,000 into 1 or 5 plus 26,000 into 7 will give you 20,000. 2,05,000 ratio 2,12,000 and 2,82,000. This will give you 205 ratio 212 ratio 282. Now talking about A's share, rupees 69,900 into 205 upon 699 is 20,500. Now talking about B's share, is 69900 into 212 upon 699 will give me rupees 21,200. Now for talking about C's share, equals to rupees 69900 into 82.699 equals to rupees 28,200. That we have your A's shares, B's shares and C's shares. Now we continue with the next coming class in the 132th class, and we'll discuss for the 12th question in the next coming class. So here we're gonna end up with other than quantitative aptitude, we have done your chemistry part 1 for class 11, part 2 for class 11. Part 1 we had done, and the 12th chemistry we had done part 1. In terms of part physics part 1, NCRT we are dealing for class 11. English vocabulary, CBNST, which is being the computer-based numerical and statistical technique. ER diagram as well we are dealing here. In terms of quantitative aptitude, yes, we had started with arithmetical ability. As you can see, we had our numbers of LCF and LCF of numbers, as in fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, probability numbers, terms and ages, sets and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion. And this is your partnership that we are dealing is your 13th topic. And after completing this, we will discuss chain rule, time and work, pipe and system, time and distance, problems on train, boards and streams, allegations or mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games or skills, calendar, clocks, tugs and shoes, permutation and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and odd series. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graph, pie charts and line graph. So here we're gonna end up with. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in a comment box. Thank you.